Are you missing WhatsApp missed call notifications on your iPhone? In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp missed call notifications not showing problem on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure you turned off the Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode on and off. Solution 1. Check iPhone notifications settings. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always Here. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the Allow Notifications. Next, make sure to enable the lock screen, notification center, and banner alerts. Now restart your iPhone and then see whether it is solved or not. Solution 2. Check WhatsApp notification settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the settings icon below. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if your issue persists, tap Reset Notification Settings from the bottom. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from WhatsApp. That's all. That is how you can fix WhatsApp missed call notifications not showing problems on your iPhone. If this video helps, let me know in the comments. Got questions? Feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.